Hello and welcome to the Edco Fabrication team. Started by our founders, Leo Swan and Ed Harding, Equipment Development Company has been manufacturing Edco branded construction equipment since 1959. In 2013, Edco Fabrication was created in order to sell Edco's manufacturing capabilities into different industries. Since that time, Edco Fabrication has grown not only in sales, but also in our overall quality and capabilities. Unlike Edco's construction equipment brand, Edco Fabrication has the unique distinction of being an ISO 9001 certified company. This training video will cover the basics of that certification and what you need to know as an Edco Fabrication employee. ISO 9001 is an internationally recognized quality standard that incorporates best practices across all types of businesses. It touches on every area of the business outside of accounting. It provides standards for production processes, record retention, equipment maintenance, employee training, customer engagement, and other operations. We became certified during an initial audit in 2016. To uphold our certification, we complete yearly internal audits and have an independent certification board audit our processes. So why does Edco Fabrication do this? Well, our ISO certification helps Edco get and retain business. Our certification shows our customers that we're serious about making a quality product and continuously improving our operation. Our certification also requires our company to have a preventative maintenance program that covers our key pieces of equipment. This caretaking reduces our overall cost and downtime. Our ISO certification also improves our internal communication, and it helps us record data on our performance as a company. Edco's company-wide quality policy states that Edco is committed to meeting all requirements through continuous improvement of the quality management system. Look for magnets around the shop and facility that have our quality policy written out. But to put it simply, remember that Edco is dedicated to continuous improvement. That means we are always looking to improve every process incrementally. As a company, we're not satisfied with the status quo, and we're always looking to get better for ourselves and for our customers. As part of our ISO 9001 certification, Edco is required to collect and report on its own set of quality-related goals. Our internal goals are as follows. Sales strives for revenue greater than $400,000 a month. To ensure Edco only works with quality suppliers, purchasing's goal is to record less than or equal to 2 vendor nonconformances a month. In order to satisfy customers, production strives for an on-time delivery of 85% or better for the month. Edco's quality objective is to have less than or equal to 6 customer nonconformances a month. And finally, leadership's goal is to record 55 or less total nonconformances a month. This includes vendor, customer, and internal nonconformances. By keeping and reviewing these goals, Edco can make decisions that will help us continuously improve for our customers. Edco's management is responsible for training all personnel on the quality policy and the objectives we just highlighted. In addition to establishing the quality objectives, management is also responsible for conducting a yearly ISO review meeting held before the ISO audit. At the meeting, Edco's company president and other members of the leadership team go over the previous year's audit, the current state of operations, and improvement ideas. Again, we're striving for continuous improvement as a company. Your role as a member of the production team is to aid EDCO in maintaining an organized office and shop. We fulfill this role by initialing travelers when we complete our work, keeping travelers in drawings with product as they move through the shop so they can be easily identified, shipping instructions when necessary, and controlling the shelf life of chemicals and powder we have in the factory. To ensure the accuracy of our manufacturing and to uphold the needs of our customer specifications, EDCO inspects our products with calibrated inspection tools. In our inspection area, the tools that are used are sent to an independent lab to be tested and verified as accurate. Each critical tool is tested and affixed with a certification label. These certification labels are traceable to a national ISO standard. In the event that one of our tools fails this inspection, EDCO reviews all products that might have been affected by our out-of-tolerance tool. Formal inspection is only done in the inspection area. Tools found outside of the inspection area are only for informal checks. These tools do not have any label on them. Only calibrated inspection tools are labeled. A non-conforming product is an item that upon inspection is deemed to be out of tolerance or otherwise incorrect. When an item is identified as non-conforming, it is separated from the order to ensure that it's not used elsewhere. EDCO then decides if the part can be reworked, needs to be scrapped, or if the part in question will be approved by the customer. All non-conforming product is logged and reviewed yearly during the management review meeting. Thank you for your attention during this brief training video. Be sure to sign the EDCO Fabrication QMS Training sign-off sheet and return it to your quality representative as soon as possible. This is required. Thanks again, and welcome to the EDCO team.